When you need to step away from that anxious mind, this 5-minute sequence is for you. Let's begin in child's pose. So the knees can go as wide as you like, toes together, and walk the hands out until your forehead rests down on the ground beneath you. In this position, we're going to take 3 hums on our exhale. Humming helps to stimulate the vagus nerve and helps to switch off that cluttered, anxious, overthinking mind. Deep inhale to begin. Gently using your hands, walk yourself back up. Take your time, no rush. Join the knees together and come into a kneeling position. Inhale, right arm up overhead. Use your left hand to support you and take that side bend. Feel the breath flowing into the right side of the body. Opening up that rib cage. Deepening your breath. Inhale back to center. Exhale, left arm reaches up, right hand is there to help support you. Deepening the breath, allowing the lungs to take in those bigger, fuller breaths, calming down your nervous system. Let's take one more. Inhale back to center. Slowly come onto your all fours, hands underneath your shoulders, knees underneath your hips, and a couple of rounds of cat and cow. So as you inhale, the tailbone tips up to the sky, belly comes down to the earth, and you lift the chin and the chest up. As you exhale, curl the tailbone under, round through the back of your body and tuck the chin to your chest. Now take your time here, feel into your spine, taking the tension away from the mind and into the body. Allowing yourself just to really feel the sensations in your spine. Observe your breath. Inhaling, belly down towards the earth. Exhaling, round the spine up to the sky. 2 more. Keep that focus in the movement, in the body. Last one. Exhale. Come back into your neutral position, and again take your time finding a comfortable seated position, however that is for you. I invite you to gently close your eyes if that feels good for your body right now. Take a feel into your body, feel the ground beneath you, maybe your hands on your knees, the clothes on your skin. Observe your breath, the sounds around you. Take a deep inhale, and on your exhale through the mouth, take a deep sigh. And again, letting everything go. I hope you feel a little calmer, a little bit more back into your body and a bit more grounded. Take this 3-minute pause whenever you need it. Thank you so much.